Hey, it's Kayla Tadler, and today we'll be playing some games, and this should work. Games. Okay, this should work. Alright, so we're going to be playing games for my Kayla's Tadler Mondays. So, games I'll be playing on, because I've already set this, right done this. Wait, where is it? Right. The website I'm using is addictinggames.com. Alright, where's the Alright. It should be here. Did I pass it? Yeah, I passed it, I think. Oh, here it is. Crazy Grandpa with the Genza. Haha. This app is not. Why isn't this working? This game is just so damn funny. Do I have to? Yeah, I turned it. Okay, so it's called Addicting Games. This is the website. Alright, jump. Ah! Oh, turn. Yeah. Yeah. I don't like killing people sometimes. Alright, so this should. Yeah. Oh! Jump! Jump! No! Alright, so this game is really hard because you can't turn it off. I learned. Because I've actually played this but on my computer. So now we're just going to go back to the website. What other games can we play? Yeti Pong. Yeah, Yetis be chilling like that. Yeti Pong. Yeti Pong. Press play and your game will begin shortly. Press play. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Drink. I don't like this. 1, 2, 3. That laptop though. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just told you so. Oh, okay, so let's go. Yeti Pong. I wanna play that Yeti Pong. Yeti Pong. I'm playing Yeti Pong. Yeti Pong. It doesn't work, so that's the end of the video. Peace, guys. On the street. Down.